In a faraway land, a princess lived in a big castle. One day, the princess wanted to go to a birthday party. It was her friend's birthday. But first, she needed to get permission from her parents. She really wanted to go to the birthday party. Her parents said she could go, but she needed to get a gift for her friend. The princess got very excited and went to her room and put on her best dress. It was a beautiful dress with a big bow. She got it as a gift for her own birthday. She was very happy to wear it for a special event. After she got dressed and got the gift for the birthday party, she got into her car and drove to the party. The princess drove to the party for a really long time. But then she got lost because her GPS didn't work. She got really nervous and worried. She didn't want to be late. The princess stopped at a gas station. She asked for directions so that she can get to the party on time. A very nice man told her how to get to the place. After that, she got happy again. She thanked him, and the man said, "You're welcome." She got into her car again and drove to the party. She got to the party on time, but she didn't see her friends. She got out of her car and went to the front door. She knocked on the door, but nobody answered. Then she remembered the birthday party was actually next week. She got really upset and annoyed. The princess got back into her car, still wearing her dress with a big bow, and drove back to her castle. When she got to the castle, her friend was there. She came to visit the princess. She wanted to surprise her. The princess, in her dress, gave her friend the gift 1 week early. It was a puppy. They both played with the puppy all day long. The princess and her friend were very happy. They got to spend the entire day together.